So this is a fire extinguisher. You want to remember when you're using it, number one, always call the fire department first. Dial 911 and make sure you've got backup coming. Also remember that extinguishers are only designed for beginning stage or incipient stage fires. So you want to make sure that you've got the right extinguisher for the job. This is a multi-purpose, so it'll take care of ordinary fires, flammable liquids, and electrical fires. And to use it, simply remember the word pass. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. First step, pull the pin. It's not a grenade, it's not a timer. It's just a safety to make sure it doesn't go off by accident. Next step is aim. You want to aim at the base of the fire, not wherever you see flames. Next, squeeze the handle and sweep from side to side until the fire goes out. Once the fire goes out, keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't reignite, and then wait for the fire department to show up because you should have already called them. Be safe out there.